Is it possible to make 10,000 using these 4 indicators? In this video, I'm gonna show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate, whether you are experienced trader or beginner trader. Time for me to show you the settings of the indicators. The first indicator is gonna be parabolic SAR. I'm going to set this to 4 and this one to 3. Okay, then I'm going to change the style to white. Okay, I'm going to do 2 pixel also. Yeah, it's saved. For the second indicator, it's going to be RSI. I'm going to set the period to 9, and then I'm going to think the lines for the green moving average line. Then I'm going to change the color to white for the top. For the middle line, it's going to stay the same. You know what, I'm going to put the middle line to this color right here. Beautiful, so it's more clear. Then for the bottom line, I'm going to just think the line for that one. I'm hitting save. For the next indicator, it's going to be moving average, right? And the settings is going to be 55, and I'm going to use EMA. For the colors, I'm going to choose let me see, yeah, this color I'm going to use, and I'm going to 2 pixel. It's saved. For the final indicator, it's gonna be MACD, the boss. Okay, and I'm gonna set this to 11, and then this to 23. I'm gonna set this to 8. Okay, then I'm gonna just think the lines, right? I'm gonna change the color of the histogram. See what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna hit save. Okay, so this will be my first trade, guys. As you see right here, the MACD line, it crossed a little bit, but it wasn't strongly crossed. But the main thing was that RSI crossed the 50 level, which is very, very important in this strategy, because based on the settings I use, guys, we need the RSI level to be crossed. Okay, if RSI level is not crossed, 50 level I should say to be specific, we don't take trades in that direction. So we see that it crossed to the lower side. MACD has been crossed, and all the MACD histogram candles are going down. That's a strong signal to continue going down also, right? Because we have all the indication in our direction, and this is all you have to trade, guys. You have to trade very perfect when you're trading. Okay, beautiful, nice. The price was strong, so I get a nice gap in my direction. I'm going to take 2 more trades here, guys, because this movement is very strong. If you pay attention here, recently I won this trade because the price gap down. I need you guys to understand something about gaps, right? Whenever you see the price gap in my direction like this, it's telling me that there was a strong selling pressure. You understand? And this is why I say candlestick psychology is so important. Okay, because all of my students are using candlestick psychology, and they are beating the market left, right, and center. Okay, right now they're having a meal day, and I'm very proud of them also, but I'm not here to talk about that. Come on, this trade is looking a little bit risky. Come on. Beautiful, beautiful. And that was a win, guys. Nice. This one, guys, is amazing. You see how strong this engulfing candle was, guys. and you notice that we are below parabolic. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parabolics. This means that in the period of 5 parabolics, the market continues to go in the same direction, which signals a strong momentum. Okay, and these are the uses of indicators. Okay, it shows us what's going on, and you have to learn how to read them. Okay, another thing, you notice MACD's cross and it becomes wider. It even crossed the candles, the histogram candles, which mean it was so strong it pushed past the candles without any respect or any hesitation, which signals strength in the market. All right, and this trade here is going to be a winning trade. Beautiful. This is what I'm talking about. Accuracy. Yes, guys, as you see right here now, this is a gap down right here, and we see a continuation sign. We are also below the moving average, so this means the trend has changed. And another thing, MACD has crossed, and it crossed the candles. It's becoming wider, which is very unique and very nice, because now I'm knowing that the price is getting stronger. RSI is below the 50 level, which is below which means the price is trying to go much lower. I was gonna say that I wanted to cross the bottom line here, but it doesn't matter. Once it's below the middle line, and it's and if it's above, we go with the buyers. All right, so everything is lining up very nicely here, guys, and we have the parabolic SAR also in our favor. There's just so much things. Nice. Let's find another opportunity. Wasn't really early for this trade, guys. Yeah, if you notice, RSI is trying to cross the 50 level. It's lying right here. It means that the price is very flat. This is called flat in the market, guys, but I believe the price will go higher, because this was a momentum which grabbed all the liquidity from right here. Okay, and notice this was a demand area also, and it grabbed everything and it just going to the moon. Okay, and another thing I noticed, the histogram of the MACD, it's now trying to flip higher. At first it was down, but now it's flipping higher, if you know what I mean. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying, guys. Okay, the greatest thing is that we're in the direction of the trend, and once we break the moving average, that's the direction of the market. I'm going to take 2 more trades here. The reason I'm taking 2 more trades here, guys, the price is still in a upward trajectory, because we now crossed the 50 line very confidently, and now MACD has crossed also confidently. We have parabolic SAR underneath our price confidently, and final indication is that we are with the trend, which is the moving average. We are above it, and you already know, once we have all our confirmation in order, once we have all our confirmation in order, that's when we enter a trade. You have to be very accurate. Okay, if you break the rules and you lose a trade, don't get vexed at the strategy. Be vexed at your own self. If you set rules and you break them, that's your fault, man. Oh, I have a opportunity here. All right, I wasn't really early for this trade, but it's still an opportunity. I love this strategy, guys. It's so accurate. I don't know. It's like a magic, It's like literal magic. Like, this strategy is insane. Like, the results I get with this. Let me tell you something, guys. I didn't really tell you guys a lot about my story in trading. Oh, damn, it didn't cross the level properly. See that? But the wick crossed it, and we know that when the wick crossed the level, in the lower time frame, the price crossed it. I think if I switch to the lower time frame, you might see what I'm talking about. Let me go to the 5 seconds. You see that? We already crossed the line. You see that, guys? We already crossed. That's what I'm saying. When you see the wick cross, it still means that it's in our favor, okay? Because the wick and the lower time frame is candlestick movements. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying, right? Nice. All right, so this candle barely breaks the level. I don't know if you guys remember I was saying always know whenever you have a high probability trading setup versus a weak one, because right now this is in a C class, right? So it's a chance it might lose, right? It's not perfectly lined up. It's okay, it's normal. You can take this, it's normal. But I'm just saying it's not an A plus because you notice I barely crossed the line. You see that? Let me zoom up. Whoa, you see that? It didn't even cross the line. That was crazy. Damn. And this is the reason why I tell you guys, you cannot be afraid to lose trades because sometimes you will make mistakes. You are a human being. And even professional traders made mistakes, as you see right here. No problem. You have to be okay with losing a trade. No big deal. I'm going to make this back anyway. Beautiful. Nice. Alright guys, if you see right here, we have a 3 bar coming down, it break the moving average. We have 2 parabolic SAR above, which is very good. And then we see that RSI is now crossing the 50 level, see that? And MACD cross the candles also getting wider, which is that's a plus. When you see all these indications in the same direction, you have to take the trade. Alright? Stop worrying so much about the outcome and worry about the process. Alright? Just take the trade because the same way you win, it's the same way you can lose. And you have to be okay with that, guys. Don't make the losing. Because what happens is many times people lose trade and they become reckless in the market. Going crazy. Don't do that. Accept your loss and keep it pushing. Simple. Oh, I put the whole 4,000. Damn. I was supposed to do 3, guys, but it's okay though. No problem. The greatest thing is that everything is lining up properly. Alright. That's the greatest thing. And yeah. I'm looking to take full advantage of the price movement because I saw that this is a momentum and it breaks the moving average very strongly. If I had entered right here, my trade would have won on this candle here. But now I'm seeing this American, I'm pretty confident the price will go higher. Plus we have a breakaway gap, so the price will continue to move in my direction. So this trade is a sure shot. I'm very comfortable about this trade, guys. My entry point is phenomenal, and that gap up, breakaway gap, yeah, it's a sure shot. Sure trade, guys. Sure trade. Beautiful. It's so easy to trade when you are equipped with a lot of knowledge. Okay? Right, guys, so I took this trade right here mainly because I saw this American candle breaking the moving average. Alright, we signal to me downtrend movement, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 parabolic SAR. This is a major accurate strategy. This is a very accurate strategy, guys, and this signal here is very good because we have RSI below the 50 level, which is showing me something very unique. So let's see what's going to happen here. Beautiful. This trade is a winning trade, guys. Nice. So yes, guys, this trade here is not really a strong trade. The main reason for taking this was because I see that the RSI was trying to cross the 50 level, and we have a momentum going higher, right, with continuation sign at the end, which gives me a strong reason for taking this trade. And I can see the histogram is telling the lines to cross on the MACD, so I know for sure, guys, this trade will be a winning trade. mean, no one is 100% guaranteed, but this trade is a high probability trade, guys. And this is the thing, guys. Once you learn how I trade, your confidence will also go high as mine, guys. You understand what I'm saying? The more you know what I'm doing, the easier and the better your confidence will be also. For those who are tired of losing trade, I have a mentorship which can help you become consistently profitable. If you're ready to invest in yourself and you're ready to be profitable, use the link in the description to register for the mentorship. I will see you on the inside. And this will be the end of my video, guys. Peace out.